3.html. HTML you start here. Here you can write style, you can start body, you can use here. Next, after that, follow a UL tag you can use. Li tag you can use. E tag also you can use inside. Home. Register.html. Login.html. Contact already we have. Service.html. Address. Contact us. Register. Login. Our services. This home.html you should convert into template 3. Now can I write some CSS for URLi like yesterday? Yesterday we have designed a menu for ULLI. Follow the body tag, margin 50px, margin 0px. Margin 0px. Now write some CSS for UL. UL margin 0px, padding also 0, padding no need to add. background green color, UL space li. Here you can write display flags, is display colon flags. Inside this padding top 15 px, left right 30 px, bottom also 15 px, ULLI padding, then after that ULLI a color, white color, font weight, font size 20 px, font hyphen style, text decoration. ULLI a text decoration none. It will create a navigation, the full width menu, background blue color, dots are coming. We can write under the UL only, list hyphen, style hyphen, type, none. List style type is none. Ready? Now we can use one hover effect here. UL space li colon hover, UL li hover, background will be orange color, cursor colon pointer. look like this. Where the mouse will go? Sequence. Navigation looks similar or something else. Let me know, everyone. Working, not working. Why interview call is an interview? If anyone asks a question, why interview is called as an interview? Why interview is called as an interview? Interview is an interview only because of that it's called as an interview. Why interview is called as interview? Huh? What should be the answer for that? Interview is interview because of that because of that it is called as interview. Interview is interview because of that is called as interview. Question is Dinesh. Okay, so the CSS code. Okay, look at here. Here is the CSS code. What is a React? React is React, so that it's called as a React. What is HTML? HTML is HTML because of that. Don't follow this pattern. Dangerous pattern. You will have answer of all question, but you cannot give the answer of any question. Hope working. Go ahead then. Okay, now after this, if navigation is ready, if you click on home, it should remain on the same page. Check once. It is on the same page or it's going somewhere else. Same page. It should remain on the same page. About contact, register, login, service. We have to create. Now come after this. Below this, we will display 3 banners, 3 blocks. Okay. First one banner will come, and inside the banner 3 blocks will come. So banner will be of something like this. Use a section tag. Under the section tag, ID equal to banner. Inside the banner, we will write a division. Class equal to service 1 or service only you can give 1, 2, 3. Software marketing digital. Keep on the digital. Ready? Come to the CSS now. First, we have to write the CSS for banner. As banner, as banner, background hyphen image, URL 1.jpg, height of that banner 300, padding of the banner 3 pixel, background hyphen size 100% height and 100% rounded the width. After that, display flags wrap colon wrap. So in current folder, there should be one photo 1.jpg. You have photo in current folder. We have to keep one photo in current folder and rename as a one. It should be JPG. Rename as a one. It should be as a JPG. Name line or name line? The photo is coming on. It should be like this here. Digital marketing, software, all should be in one line. Because what you have done here, look here. You have made for banner, and inside the banner we added the display as a flex. Flex wrap, I will cut it first. Okay, see, you also remove. You need to understand flex wrap, what is that? Display flags you remove now. Still your all three block will come in one line. All three are coming in one line. Division. Inside the banner, we have how many division? Three division. Now, if we will not use the display flags, all will go to the new line. But if we use the display flags, all three division will come in the same line. Division are coming in the same line. Now, look into your current folder. Do you have photo or not? Photo is not there. We have to keep one photo inside. So go to your computer, search the photo anywhere, wherever you have the photo, pick any photo. Suppose I have one photo here. I will copy this photo and I will paste here. Right? Kept the photo. Next, after that, photo should come as a background. Coming as a background. Now inside this, we will create the three blocks. One block, two block, three block using the div tag. So please check once photo is coming or not. So how to set the background using the CSS? Using the property called background icon image. Using the background icon image property, we can set the property. This is the line how to set the background as a photo. Background as a image, background icon image, colon URL. In that, if we pass the photo URL, it will become as a background of your photo. That will become background of your photo. Next, after this, come for the service now. Okay, now question is, we have written the class service. What do you understand by class? That should look similar or different? Should look similar, right? Wherever the class word will come, it represents the similarity. Okay, if it is ID, then it may be similar or may be different. But when the word will come as a class, it must be similar. Okay, so go. Now write the CSS for this service class. Dot service where first calculate the margin 3%. Adding hyphen top 50 px. Adding bottom 50 px. Background pink color. Font size 40px, text align, center, here float left you don't have to write. Float left is not required because already for the parent tag you have given the okay width we have not mentioned that width we have to write. Width now how much will come? 33.33 should be the width. In that 2%, 4% will be minus 29.33. 0.33, 33%. Ready? Check now. 3 blocks appear. The height look little bigger. We can reduce the height little. How much you are given? Padding top 50, padding bottom 50. Font size. Padding top give okay. Padding bottom keep 30. It should be look equal. The text should come in center. From top to bottom, it should be in the center. That's not going down. Why padding bottom also be given? Do have added anywhere height? We have not added height anywhere. $20px. Not reflecting, right? Height we have to add. Okay, let's add the main height also. Or keep height only. 200px. Height 200px. Not able to finance. 100px. Is okay. With height 100px, it should fit. Not very exciting. So here we have taken padding bottom and padding top, right? Here what we have done. Padding. When writing the padding and margin, we can write the padding and margin using two ways. One, you can write separate padding, padding top, padding left, padding right, padding bottom. All four way we can write. One option. Another option, we can write short code also. It's called short code. Short code, yes. What is that short code? Look at here. Here, how many places we have written padding, padding? 2 times. Top different, bottom different. In case, if you look at here, padding 30, 15, 30, and 15, 15, right? In this, you can see from top and bottom there is equal gap. Left and right is the equal gap. Now look this line. Padding, first number will go to the top. Second number will go to the left, right. Third number will go to the bottom. This is called short code. Short code, shortcut. In one line, you can align all the way. Okay. Similar way, we can write margin also. Margin, first number top, second number left, right, last number bottom. Okay. So here we have written short code, whereas here we have not written the short code. Padding top separate and padding bottom separate. Now, if you want to write separate, let it be. If you want to write short code, that also can be done. So check now. What is happening now? This is as a background, right? This is as a background, and this is as another division, correct? This is a background. This is the next division. Inside the division, we have text, and plus we have a line in the middle. In this case, if you use the float left at this place, if you use the float left, if anything extra you will add here, anything, it will get overlapped. But now what we have done, you have not used the float left. Which property we use? Only one place we have used called flex. Display as a flex. Display flex will also convert from block to inline. So question is where to apply the display flex? Not for the child element. It must get applied for the parent element. So banner is the parent element, whereas a service is the child element. So if you apply for parent as a display flex, all the child automatically it will convert into inline. Okay. HTML structure, if you look, banner is the parent and service is the child. So inside that, whichever the service will come, division, paragraph, section, automatically all will convert into inline. Because parent said like display flags, all should come in the same line. Problem is not that here. Okay. Problem is we got solution, yes, we converted from block to inline. What will happen if we add one more service? Will it come in the same line or new line? Add one more and see. Copy the division and paste again. Last division, copy, paste and check once where it is going. Where? But for him it is going to the same line. Okay, let me go here. If I add one more block here, right? Digital 2, digital 2, digital 2. See, digital 2 I have added. It is also fitting in the same line. Fitting. Here. Now, what is the matter to discuss is? Matter to discuss is for this division, we have given the margin 2%. It is going to consume 2% in the left, 2% in the right, 4%. After that, how much width you are given? 29.33. So 29 plus 4, 33. 33.33 into 3, 100% over. But in fact, what happened is 4 division got occupied here. Now it is not working on 33% formula. It is working on total area divided by 4. Total area divided by 4. Okay. Total area divided by how much? 4. Let's come down. Add here flex hyphen wrap colon wrap flex wrap colon wrap. Those 8-9 people know. Final round is happening today. In that room, some 7-8 people are there. Over telephone, this one, video call. Okay, so let's check now. Overlap should happen now. 3 will come in one line and 4th will go to the next. So what we should use, if you are not using the flex wrap, then total element will fit in the same line. If you use the flex wrap, then this property will work. Which property? Width property. Flex wrap, if you use, then what will happen? The width property will work. If you are not using the flex wrap, then your width property will not work. Okay. Now we will come to the HTML and we'll delete the last block and let it be the 3 block only. And whenever we require, instead of using the float left, we will use as a display as a flex. Display as a flex we will be using every time. Come down after that. Now this section tag is over. Hope looking similar. Now go inside, write another tag called section. In the section tag, write here ID equal to container. Now come inside the container, division HTML class equal to technology tech. CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery, Angular, React, many more. Okay. CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Bootstrap, Angular, Node.js. So now for container, you have to write some CSS, and in one line, display total 4 technology. 4 boxes should get created in one line. Understood? No? We have created just now one banner. In banner, how many display you are displaying? 3. Now we have a container. Inside the container, I need to display the 4 boxes in one line, where background will be maybe sky blue. Okay, and 4 boxes, font size 40, you can give 50. Okay, and 4 will come in one line and 4 will go to the new. Use the flags and use the background height width, anything, your wish. Clear or not? Write some CSS for container and tech. Tech is the class name, container is the ID. Now write some CSS where in one line it should display total 4 blocks and 4 will go to the new line. You can use the background, anything. Give 2% margin. Margin should be 2%. Margin should be 2%. Inside the container, display the 4 block in one line, whereas each block will have a margin of 2%. Background your wish, color combination your wish, font size your wish, height is your wish. Hope you are writing something. For container, write some CSS. Then after that, for the text, write some CSS so that there will be 2% of margin and background will be some color, font size will be something, and in one line, 4 divisions should appear. 4 technology names should appear in one line. That should be all set. Remove the group from flex. Flex. You can use flex. Anyone is able to? Let me guide you. For container, what will follow? As containers, inside what will follow? With how much? 100%. Give the background a sky blue and display flex. Flex hyphen WRAP. wrap. Next, after that, okay, padding. 30 pixel you can give. Okay, so per container is written. Per container it is written. Now, for what you need to write the next CSS? Flex wrap, correct? Next for which one? Text. In one line, how many? 4. Margin how much? 2%, right? Background of the text should be white color. Color should be maybe orange color. Font size maybe 50 pixel. Text align center. Padding left, right, top, bottom. Text should appear in the middle. You have to just copy like this here. Text is coming in the middle. Marketing software and digital. Similar way, that also should come in the middle. Background different color, text different color. Right. Try. Hope you're writing. Fine. You're not very regular. Giver. That is okay. Container we have written now. Container. Okay. That dot text, right? That dot text you don't need to add that. The dot text. For that, what we will do? Number one, there should be margin 2%. Then keep the padding from top 30 pixel. Left, right. How much we should give? Left and right. 15. 1 5. Okay, hold on. Top 30, left right 0, bottom also 30. Okay, and then text align center. Text align center. Then after that, width 21%. Then after that, okay, since left and right we are giving the how much? 30 pixel. So 25%. Okay, let's do like this. Left, right, 15 minutes. कुछ बोला?
He's searching location for.
हाँ?
He's searching location for this company. Sir, please program का सीक्वेंस में.
कहाँ गूगल में?
Yeah.
वो छोड़ो.
He says I want to see confused. He say I am not finding this.
छोड़िए छोड़िए. Next after that, width how much will give? Okay, give the width. See, margin is taking already 2%. Width we are given. So background as a orange. Background which color? White color. Color as a green color. Font size 40 pixel. 4 are going to come in one line around TCH. TECH. TECH. See, let's look like this. Look similar. Now what we need to do? Write one small effect. When we move the mouse here, when we move the mouse here, when we move the mouse here. Okay. Change the background color. When you move the mouse here, change the text color. When the mouse will go here, the text will convert into red. When the mouse will go here, text will convert into green. Hover. Yes, please write that. Take colon hover, service colon hover, change the color. Hope written. Anyone? Let me know. Yes. No. You should keep remembering also. It should not be like yesterday learn and today forget. Hover you have seen no many places. Look at here. You have used hover or not here? Mouse move color is changing. Same way I have asked to change what? What to change? This is which class? Service class. This is called take class. You can't write one line like this. That very serious. Service colon hover. Many places we have used. Service colon hover. Background. Background. Green color. or purple color colon white tick dot tick colon hover change only color red. Ready? Come to the browser. See here, changing color. But at the same time, cursor should convert into pointer. You have to write here one line, cursor colon pointer, cursor colon pointer. Here also we can write cursor colon pointer. Yeah, so this is now come after that in the last. Add a footer, division, not division. It should be a footer only. Footer, you can add here paragraph. This is footer. Maybe instead of this is footer. Yes. Write some CSS for footer. Margin top 100 pixel, background green color, font size something, text align center. So hope we can write some CSS for footer. Footer, anything? Footer tag directly you can add. For footer tag you can add background green, padding 30 pixel or 40 pixel, text align, center, text align center, background green, padding 40 px, background color as a white, color should be white color. And after that, you can write their call. Height also maybe 120 px somewhere. 120 px. Footer coming. So this becomes another template. Okay, different color combination used with the flags, display flags, calculation of margin and padding. Next, we will create this all the pages. So template one is ready. Next work will be create remaining pages. Header footer is ready. Now in between, we'll keep adding some new content and this all pages will create. So till now, the property we have implemented, is it remember or forgot? Till now, whichever the property we have written, is it mind or forget? See, I will suggest a small tips. You should create a text file. Text file. Okay, and in text file, suppose in this file, whatever you have written, from here to here, you copy and paste in that text file. And that text file sent to your WhatsApp. Okay. After that, whenever you are free, you can look into your WhatsApp. No? Whenever you are free, you open the WhatsApp and not look into someone photo, look into your code. The property value will come in front of files, right? And it should not be daily different file. File should be only one. In the same file, daily you keep adding the text. So suppose we have this file, this much of code. So this much will create one text file and will send to the WhatsApp. Tomorrow you can read that. Next day again, we'll have another code. Maybe some code will be repeated, but property value you will remember at least. So tomorrow code you take and add in the same text file, delete old file and send the new to your WhatsApp. For next 24 hours, you will read in which file? Second file, combination of yesterday class and today class. Third is again, third day CSS, add bottom. Next day, whenever you have time, just open and read it. So suppose 10 classes will happen. So your text file will be how longer? Such a big long file. And daily you will not read from beginning. If you read from beginning, within 2-3 days you will remember all. You will go to the bottom section. So at last you will have use of the property value in a huge amount and in one file. When we go for interview also, People will not ask, no, don't look into your mobile. We can open the mobile anywhere, we can read that text file. Then you will say the problem is sending the text file daily into the email. It's a 2-minute work. Copy this much of code, sending to the WhatsApp, copy this much of code, copy this much, and add in the text file by today date, and then send to the text file to where? Your WhatsApp only, through the web WhatsApp, and then you can download in phone and keep using for next 24 hours. Old file delete from there, send the new one. That way you can, because book we cannot carry every time, laptop we cannot carry, but while eating, while sleeping, while listening something, at least listen the song is okay, but at least I should be aware under the CSS property value. Clear or not? So that will give impact or not? It will give lot of impact. Okay, you will like remember those all. Okay? So hope you can try that. Try implement and see. At least 2 days you try, no, for 2 classes. Whenever you have free time, you can open the phone, go to the WhatsApp and look into the content. Okay, thank you. We'll see you tomorrow again.